ever wondered why some students learn programming in just a few months, while others struggle for years, even after watching hundreds of tutorials? The problem is not Java, it is not Python, and it is not C++. The real problem is that most beginners start coding without understanding the fundamentals. Think about it. Can you build a house without a strong foundation? Of course not. Programming works exactly the same way, and that's exactly what this series is going to help you build. So, let's get started. Welcome to Programming Fundamentals. This is a series designed for complete beginners. Whether you are a college student, preparing for placements, switching your career path, or simply curious about programming, this playlist is for you. Here, we won't just learn how to write a code, we will understand how programming actually works. Because once your foundation becomes strong, learning any programming language becomes much easier. So, you must have a question. Why should we learn fundamentals? Because most beginners make one common mistake. They install Java or Python, they watch tutorials or videos, copy the instructor's code, and everything looks so easy. But the moment they try writing a program on their own, they get stuck. Variables become confusing, loops don't make sense, functions feel difficult, and debugging becomes frustrating. The reason is simple. They learn the syntax but skip the concepts. Programming isn't about memorizing code, it's about understanding the logic. And that's exactly what we will focus on in this series. So, the solution of this problem is that strong programming fundamentals. Now, you must think, what are programming fundamentals? What they exactly mean? So, think of them as the building blocks of programming. Just like you learn the alphabet before writing sentences, every programmer must learn the basics before building software. We will understand how computers work, how programs think, how problems are solved, and how all these concepts come together to create real applications. These are not just topics for exams, they are skills you will use throughout your programming journey. So, here is the main aim. Like one of the best things about programming fundamentals is that they are universal. You learn it once and apply it everywhere, anywhere, anytime. So whether you choose Java, Python, or C++, or JavaScript, or any other language, the concept remain the same. Only the syntax will get changed. That's why experienced developers can switch between programming languages so easily. They don't memorize every language, they understand the fundamentals. Now, your journey starts here. We will start with computer basics, then move to programming concepts, learn problem solving techniques, and finally write real code with confidence. Don't worry if you have never written a single line of code before. I will explain every concept from scratch using simple examples that anyone can understand. So, let's begin this journey together. One concept, one video, one step at a time. So, where will this help you actually? You might be wondering this. Where will all of this actually help me? Why should I learn? I understand it, but where this is applicable? So, the answer is everywhere. If you are preparing for campus placements, these fundamentals will help you answer technical questions confidently. If your dream is to become a software developer, this is the foundation every developer builds upon. If you are preparing for coding interviews, strong fundamentals will help you solve problems instead of memorizing solutions. And if you want to do freelancing, build projects, or create your own startup, these concepts will stay with you throughout your career. So remember one thing, programming languages will change, technologies will evolve, frameworks will also come and go, but strong fundamentals never become outdated. So, this is just the beginning of an exciting journey. In our next video, we will answer a simple but fascinating question. What is a computer? And if you are serious about learning programming the right way, Make sure to subscribe to CodePath and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Which programming language are you planning to learn? Java, Python, C++, or something else? I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing. Thank you.